Brutally shot 13-year-old Adam Toledo will face an evidentiary hearing.
That ruling tonight from the Chicago Police Board. WGN's Dana Rebick is joining us now with details. Dana.
Well, tonight's decision comes more than a year and a half after the shooting death of 13-year-old Adam Toledo. The Chicago Police Board meeting to determine if the officer involved could face further disciplinary action. In April of this year, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability recommended Chicago police officer Eric Stillman be fired over the March 2021 incident in Little Village. CPD initially described that shooting as an armed confrontation, but body cam video later showed Toledo running away and dropping a handgun behind a fence before he turned around and raised his hands, Stillman shooting him in the chest. In March of this year, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office announced it would not file criminal charges against Officer Stillman. While COPA recommended Stillman be fired, Superintendent David Brown disagreed. And because of that, the Chicago Police Board called for what's known as a request for review. A single member of the current 8-person board, selected at random, had to decide whether Stillman's case would move to an evidentiary hearing. After that trial-like process takes place, the other 7 members will decide whether or not to impose discipline.
This hearing will allow the board to hear from use of force experts, the parties to call to testify, and will allow the board to thoroughly review relevant evidence, including video recordings of the incident. Officer Stillman will also be afforded the opportunity to testify before the board, providing context and explanation surrounding the incident.
Now, that hearing will likely not happen until sometime next year. The Toledo family has also filed a federal wrongful death lawsuit against Stillman. Coming up at 10, the chief of COPA reacts to the police board decision tonight, and we will have her response for you coming up next hour.
All right, Dana, thank you. And we'll take a look at more headlines in just a